How to use Apple Pay on OnlyFans 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Apple Pay on the payment option of OnlyFans. So first of all, you need to go to the official website of OnlyFans, and then you have to log into your account, and after that you have to click on your profile icon from here, and then you just simply click on the settings icon, and then you have to just click on the add card options from here, and then you just have to click on add a payment card. And after that, as you can see, there is no official option to add a Apple Pay. So what you have to do is you have to log into your Apple Pay and apply for a physical credit or debit card from there. And once you get your physical debit or credit card from Apple Pay, you can just use the card credentials in this form and give the address, city, postal code, name on the card, card number, expiration, and the CVC. And you just simply click on the tick here to confirm that you are at least 18 years old and the age of majority in your place of residence, and you just can simply click on submit. And that's how you can add your Apple Pay through a debit or Visa card, physical card, into the payment options of OnlyFans. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.